Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by claiming or creating the Crunchbase profile and filling core fields. This establishes authority. Once done, add a clean 100-200 word description that naturally includes your primary URL. You should prepare 3-5 verified links, homepage, press release, product page, because Crunchbase favors verifiable sources. Make sure your contact email is confirmed so edits stick. This first step builds trust. Without it, backlinks get flagged or ignored. So complete these prerequisites before moving to adding relationships and references. Now you'll add backlinks via the website and references sections. This is how Crunchbase exposes links publicly. First, paste your primary URL in the website field with an exact label. Then add supporting URLs inside references, choosing press releases or authoritative articles because they validate claims. Once done, link relationships, funding, acquisitions, executives, to the corresponding references so Crunchbase shows the source next to each entry. Make sure each reference includes publisher and date. Accuracy speeds approval and lowers rejection risk. Finish by reviewing every field for consistency. Matching company names, URLs, and dates reduces reviewer friction. You submit edits and then watch the admin email for verification requests or feedback. Crunchbase typically responds within 48-72 hours. If your backlink is rejected, don't panic. Check for name mismatch or lack of third-party proof, then add an authoritative citation and resubmit with a short note explaining the source. Finally, once live, periodically update references so links remain valid and beneficial for SEO.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.